Hello everyone, this is Linda. I wanted to give you a starting video on a project my husband and I are doing. He enclosed the back porch for me so that I would have an all-weather room, kind of like a sunroom. And I'm going to turn it into my back porch stitching area. And I wanted to show you what we're starting with after he got it enclosed, and we have done nothing to work on the inside. That's my project this year, to get this room filled up with some furniture and decorated the way I want it so that we can use it. But anyway, this is the back porch, goes out on a patio, that door there out into our yard, okay? And right now I have just this glass table that I've got covered right now that I'm going to do something with. I don't know exactly what. And those curtains hanging in the back are insulated curtains. And in the cold weather, I pull them across, or I can just pull them across for privacy. That door, because it's just a storm door, and that really helps insulate. And then as you come around the room is 8 feet wide, and I don't know how many feet long, pretty long, but it's 8 feet wide. And so I have 5 windows across, and I have this little baker's rack that was given to me, somebody was going to throw away, so I'm going to do something with that. And then as you can see, we have 4 windows down the long side. I've purchased 1 chair so far at a garage sale for $8, but that looks like a comfortable chair to sit and stitch in. And I've got a cork board there that I'm going to use. A little blank wall here that I can do something with. And then I have another set of windows. Like I said, I have 4 down the long side. You can see it's a pretty long room. And that's a little space heater that I used in the minus weather here. And then at the end, I have another window. So I have lots of lighting. And then coming back up the back wall, up to the glass sliding doors that go into the house. So it's a pretty good sized room, and I think if I can do something with it, it's going to be a really nice area. Right now, like I said, everything is just bare. I will be getting a couple of area rugs for this concrete floor, but I'm not going to cover the floor as such permanently, but some area rugs will do for that. And the ceiling is kind of a slant ceiling, so but it's tall enough. It's not a problem there. And of course, I had a couple of plants weathering over the winter in this back porch here. And so this area is going to be really an area that I think I'm going to love, because it's going to allow me to have great outdoor lighting, comfortable sitting, a place just to come and sit and enjoy. And I can have friends over here too. Let me back off over here to the door and give you a long shot of the room. There you go. Now you can see that I do have a lot to work with here. So I don't know how long it's going to take me or exactly what it's going to look like when I get through. But anyway, this is my project that I'll be working on all summer. And I'm going to try to pick up my furniture at thrift stores and estate sales and garage sales and things like that, because I don't want to pay a bunch of money for furniture going here. But I do want sturdy, comfortable chairs that I and friends can sit in and stitch together. So this is going to be my back porch sitting area, and we'll be doing some stitching back here, hopefully by the middle or the end of this year, however long it takes me. I'm slow at whatever I do, so we'll just have to see how that works out. But anyway, I wanted to show you what I'm starting with, and I'll give you some progress videos as I go along and do something with this room. And so I just appreciate my husband who finished it off for me, put all these wonderful windows in, this storm door, so that I have lots and lots of light in here. And it's just, I'm gonna love it. And most of the weather here in East Texas is nice, and we have a lot longer hot area than we do cold area. So it's nice to be indoors but be able to see outdoors. And I like that feeling. And so I have a view of my backyard, which being a new house, I don't have much out there yet, but I am going to be planting flowers on that back fence back there, and doing some more landscaping. So we will see what I can have to look at after, like I said, by the summertime or end of the year. I'm going to do zinnias all along that back fence, so maybe they'll show up well. I love the color of zinnias, and they're beautiful cut flowers for the house. So anyway, that's I just wanted to show you that and let you see what oops, sorry about that. I just went out of focus. Let you show you what I'm doing at home this summer. So stay tuned. We'll see what I can do with this room. Thank you, and stay scrub happy.